Tonight, the Santiago Bernabéu is waking up to a transfer that threatens to redraw Real Madrid's tactical map. Trent Alexander-Arnold, a Liverpool icon renowned for his vision, range of passing and uncanny ability to create chances from the right flank, has been thrust into the conversation as the player who could become Xabi Alonso's secret engine. This is more than a celebrity arrival. It is a practical problem. Solver for a team that last season showed moments of attacking brilliance, but also exposed periods of defensive vulnerability and stilted chance construction. Imagine build-up that begins not with a midfield pivot, but with a right-back who can switch play across the whole pitch in a single measuring pass. That is the immediate tactical upside, quicker transitions and more unpredictable channels, and a right-side axis that becomes a legitimate source of creativity. If Xabi integrates Trent correctly, Madrid can morph into two teams in one, a classic wide flank powerhouse and a possession unit with a deep-lying orchestrator. But opportunity comes with pressure, selection battles will be fierce, and opponents will study every touch to understand how to blunt this new dimension. Voices like Luis Figo have already spotlighted Trent as a signature signing capable of delivering immediate impact. And the chatter around town makes clear why. His long-range switches, set-piece quality and tendency to unlock compact defences are rare attributes at the highest level, and they arrive at a club that demands trophies first and spectacle second. Yet adaptation matters. The Premier League and La Liga pose different tactical questions, quicker counter-attacks, different referee interpretations, and more nuanced space between the lines. Trent will need to recalibrate his defensive timing, positional discipline, and stamina for a league that often exposes small errors quickly. Tactically, the possibilities are intoxicating. A right-back who inverts into midfield creates overloads on the inside, forcing opponents to either follow and leave space behind or hold station and concede central control. Xabi could pair this with a staggered midfield that presses vertically, or he might use a double pivot that stabilizes possession while giving Trent license to step into more advanced passing lanes. On set pieces, Trent's delivery and variation open another avenue, corners and free kicks that are as likely to find the far post as they are to begin sudden counter-attacks. Those micro-advantages add up across a season and can be the difference in tight title races and knockout ties. There are risks, and the narrative is not all upside. Trent's defensive moments have been scrutinized before. Pace, one-on-one defending and positional awareness will be tested by La Liga's fleet-footed wingers. Big moves expose players to pressure from day one, and supporters are quick to judge. Xabi's role will be critical. He must manage rotations, protect the newcomer when errors happen, and blend his tactical instincts with empathetic man management. If he succeeds, Real Madrid could gain a unique playmaker who starts moves from deep and forces opposition defences to rethink their setups. If he slumbles, the experiment will become fodder for pundits and headlines, and the club will have to answer tough questions about fit and risk. The immediate storylines to follow are simple to track. First, the fight for the right flank. Will Dani Carvajal and Trent find a rotation rhythm, or will one man seize the role outright? Second, the tactical trials in Madrid's opening fixtures. Watch for inverted full-back movements and diagonal passes that catch teams off balance. Third, the early chemistry with midfield and forward lines. A single perfectly weighted pass from Trent in the opening weeks could become a highlight that defines the season and shifts narratives about how Madrid create chances. This signing is not merely a headline. It is a tactical experiment with very high stakes. Madrid supporters should expect a period of adaptation, intense debate, and the real possibility of breathtaking football that redefines how the team constructs chances. Pundits will scan stats and minutes, optimists will count assists and chance creation as proof of concept. Either way, one thing is undeniable. The arrival of Trent Alexander-Arnold has the capacity to change matches, shape narratives, and potentially alter the course of a season. Keep your eyes on the right flank. The first signs of a new Madrid identity may well begin there.